In this video, I will talk about the template functions in C++. So firstly, let's see this function reverse. It reverses the first n elements of the integer array A, like it's implemented simply. So it will just loop through the array and then change it one by one. So this kind of function can be implemented for any type of the variable in the same way, like this. And yes, we can just create it for each like type you need, but C++ also provides us the uh, ability to just create it only once for like universally for any type and then use it with several types. So it's created using the template function. To create template functions, we will just, before the type name of the function, we will just write the keyword template and then list the type parameters. So type name and the type parameters. So here it is like the any identifiers in C++. It can just be called with any types, so like identifier. So from the it should start from the letter and then end with the number. It can be, but in most cases it's recommended to use only one letter. So and in most cases we use t. So t is the first letter of the type of the word type. So t. Yes, so and this t we can use in any place in this scope, in the scope of this function. We can change it here in the parameters list, and this t will be just changed automatically by the C++ during the call, during the invoking the proceeding this function with the type. You just use it here in the type in the argument list. So here also we can use it in the scope as usual types. So as integer, float, it will be the types and then it will be changed automatically. So and then we can just check it. For example, we can check it with the double array. Like this. And then let's why? We need semicolon, reverse like this, reverse like and n is 4 for us, and then we can just print the resulting array like this. I and then the k. Okay, so it will be like the reversed array like this. So also we can just use several type parameters like this, and for example reverse two arrays with the same element. like this, and it can be several times used, for example, like this. So we need to just remove this one. For example, add to front tag. Wait, wait. Add to front, and here it will accept only the array and the elements to add in the front, and for example int and the size of the array. So n means n, yes, and then we will go through the 0 and we will do it like this. I is I minus 1, and then our 0 will be the element. In this case it will just accept only the arguments with the same type instead of this t. Okay, we cannot like, for example, int char, we cannot call it like this, add to front, because this type and the type of the array is not the same. We can call it only like this. Okay, and so on. Also it can be like the type of the function like this, name t, type of the function like this, for example t, like first element, so in any case it will just be used in this scope like as usual type, and it can be changed with even your own class you have created and so on, but you need to just be carefully with the supporting of these operators. So for example, operator equal this, or operators like plus, minus, and so on.